Welcome to this demonstration of e-governance solutions based on experience from Estonia, a country widely recognized as one of the world's leading digital societies. This presentation is prepared for you by the members of the Estonian ICT Cluster in partnership with the Estonian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. In this presentation, we will be looking at the Interoperability Framework and solution connecting different public sector systems and services. To get started, a citizen will use their unique ID number to log into the Citizen Portal, a central gateway to all public sector services. He or she enters their personal ID number and password, and once they press Login using Smart ID, a verification code is sent to their mobile phone. And once they verify their identity with the PIN number, they are logged in. The same login procedure is used to access any public sector service in Estonia. As we can see, Michael Collins is now logged into the system. After logging in, personal and family information is received directly from different systems, such as the population registry and the marriage registry. Looking at the business side, we see that he is a shareholder in 2 companies, and in the real estate view that he owns 1 property in Kenya. Additionally, we can see the different public sector services that are available to Michael through the Citizen Portal. For example, e-school system, commercial court, and others. Managing citizens' data is a respectable yet often time-consuming duty, particularly because different government departments are responsible for different types of data, so-called data silos. In order to integrate datasets from different origins, it is crucial to establish a dynamic yet secure environment that allows the silos to talk to each other and thus function as one. That concept is known as the Interoperability Framework. Let us look at the Unified Exchange Platform, a solution keeping the information flowing efficiently and securely between the different systems. On the right, we see the count of all transactions that have moved data between different systems today. After a refresh, we see the count increase, showcasing the new transactions. Below the count and the visual timeline of transactions, we see information about different services involved. For example, the company registry, person registry, land registry, e-school, budget management system, and others. Next to the services are the different client systems, such as the Citizen Portal, the queue management service, as well as information about the organizations managing those systems. Next, we see the visualization of connections between the services exchanging the data. Here, once again, we see the land registry, queue management service, e-prescription portal, e-school system, Citizen Portal, hospital information system, company registry, and others. Another view shows the connections between different systems where those services reside. Last but not least, the system shows detailed statistical data of the transactions that have been taking place, enabling fine-tuning of the data flow between the systems working together in a distributed and yet unified manner. An effective data exchange layer is the invisible and crucial backbone of a digital society. This presentation has been brought to you by the ICT Cluster in cooperation with the Estonian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The Unified Exchange Platform was developed by Cybernetica.